Kinahanglan ba gyud nato og emergency fund? Unsa kaha ni ka importante? To answer that question, it's a big yes. Because also, we are preparing ourselves to those unforeseeable life events. Wala ta kahibaw kung kansa ta masakit. Pag nagsakit ta, kailangan tag mga medication, other medical related intervention like operations. Wala sa ta kahibaw kung kanus moabot ang mga kalamidad. And also other life uncertainties. What if mawad ang kagtrabaho? Perfect example of that is during pandemic. So we are preparing ourselves to those type of situation. So pila ba gyud dapat ang atuang emergency fund? At least 3 to 6 months of your monthly expenses. Pwede ra pod a minimum of 3 months, but you can also stretch that one depende pod sa imuhang capabilities. For example, you identify your monthly expenses is around 10,000, times nimo siya by 3, you need to have 30,000 of emergency fund. Sir, nakuha ng 30,000 sir. Uy, if ever dili pa gyud nimo kaya, set smaller goal first. 10,000 lang sa imong makaya, mao na pinaka goal nimo and a target nimo for 1 year. Let's do the math. So 10,000 divided by 12 months, it is 833. So i-divide nimo na siya by 2 since kaduha ka magsweldo sa isa ka bulan, answer is 416. Pwede mo siya i-round off into 420. So as you can see, kaya ra gyud kayo siya every payroll. For example, successful ka na-achieve nimo ang 10,000 nimo nga goal. So in the following year, ituloy gyapon nimo siya. So until such time na ma-achieve nimo ang imong emergency fund goal. So ang pinaka-key lang gyud ani is discipline.